My name is Audra Forden, the owner of Great Bear Auto Repair and Auto Body Shop in Queens, New York, and the founder of What Women Auto Know. And what you need to know about buying tires when you go into the shop. First, you need to confirm that you do need tires. Each tire's genetic makeup has its own set of plies for the tread and for the sidewall. And you can check all of that right here on your tire. You've got your tire size, you've got your tire pressure, and here the sidewall makeup, and you have the tire genetic makeup for the tread, and we've got the date. Every tire, when it's born, comes with a warranty from the manufacturer. So there's a minimal of like 36,000 miles per tire. But that's so relevant to how you're really driving. If you're carrying a heavy load and it's a pickup, well, you're going to be wearing your tires out a lot more than the person who's got the pickup doing it for recreational driving. Everything is relative. You need to know what your purpose is for the tire that you're putting your life in. It is as simple as that. So if it's a workhorse, well, then you want to have a stronger tire. You want to have something that's going to be able to make the outcome that you're looking for. Tires are so expensive, and keeping your ultimate goal of why you're using it in mind is going to help you to make the best decision when it comes to your tires. If you're doing a lot of speed driving, if you're driving fast on a highway, well, then your temperature rating, you want more A. You want, A temperature, A traction, so that you know that you have a solid grip on the ground. So when you're going in to buy your tires, first, remember, you want to know what your purpose is. Then, you want to confirm the tire size that you need, and check the date to make sure that you've got a new one. Make sure that when you're buying your tires, you get what you need, and it's well worth the investment. It's not about the manufacturer. It's about the quality of the tire and serving your purpose. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out about.com. Drive safe.